Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel where I talk things photography, and today I'm going to take a look at this TTArtisan 50mm 1.2. I believe this is recently released for some time now. It's not even a year. As you can see, it is still sealed, so this will be genuinely my first impression of this lens. And so far for the packaging, it has that textured sort of like cloth. Anyway, let's just get onto the unboxing and let's take a look. Alright, so this is it, the lens itself. So let's start by peeling this sticker off. This will be a legitimately first impression. And void. Did I just void my warranty? Of course not. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. Oh, very bad. It should not be like this. Void. This feels so wrong. It feels like I'm voiding warranty even though I'm not. Oh no, I just ruined the packaging. Anyway, here it goes. And first of all, we have our, I'm not sure, warranty card. And to the thinking artisan. If you can read Chinese, feel free to read that. It's also have some English and how to set up. Oh, and it also has this MTF chart if you're interested. The top part is a Sagittal 10 f1.2 for the black, which is this thick black line. Wow, that's pretty impressive. And for the orange one is the Sagittal 10 f5.6. So this indicates that it's pretty sharp at f1.2 until the corner, and it is the sharpest at f5.6. So that's how you read an MTF chart. It has an aperture ring, focus distance, depth of field scale, or your, I believe it's called hyperfocal distance. 50mm maximum aperture f1.2, minimum f16 for APS-C, and focus method manual. And it is stated here Sony E. Oh, it also has Canon EOS M, Fuji X, Nikon Z, MFT, and L mount apparently. And for the filter size, it is 52mm if you care about that. Closest 0.5, angle of view 32 degrees, 10 diaphragm blades, 5 elements, so 5 groups, 7 elements, and it weighs 336 grams. So that's pretty much about. This is just how to disable like shoot without lens function, because sometimes your camera hates that it doesn't detect any camera. So enough talking, we have a free silica gel. And here is the lens itself. Whoa, let's put that aside. And here it is, wrapped in plastic. Whoa, immediately it feels very heavy. Oh, this is my first impression. It is heavy. It is heavier than the TTArtisan's lens 35mm, which you can look at the video up here. It is heavier. It is definitely heavier. And On the top we have TTArtisan APS-C 50mm f1.2, and it is a screw-in cap. So in front of the lens we have TTArtisan, the serial number DJ Optical 50mm f1.2 with a filter size of 52mm, and on the back side we have our typical NEX or Sony E back lens cover, and yeah, it's just typical cover. Whoa! So it has this metal mount with a red dot. That's just Sony E standard. And look at that back element of this lens. Whoa, this feels very, very premium. On the top here we have our aperture ring, which by the way clicks. You can listen. It is a clicked aperture. Over at the bottom we have our focus ring, which is very, very smooth, not too hard, not too stiff, not too easy to turn. You won't accidentally turn this. We have our hyperfocal distance or depth of field measurement, and I believe you want to see this wide open. Whoa, that is pretty much only metal and glass. And if you notice, this is wide open at f1.2. As you close it down, it has this very unique, it's not hexagonal, it is almost like a circle with the spikes. I don't know how you call it, but it's not quite hexagonal. This is the view from the back, and wide open. And this is a very small detail, but you can see here it has these tabs, so you can turn your aperture easily. You can even one-handedly. I know you might be disgusted because I don't put any covers here and I might damage it, so let's just put it in my A6400 right here. This is just my Tamron 8200mm lens attached. You can see up here. I'm just gonna detach this, and I'm gonna borrow the bottom one from this one. Yeah, I'm sorry. I guarantee I will put it back. And here we go. You can see how you clean your lens and camera up here. Whoa, it is a bit stiff. And here's how it looks like with the A6400. The color matches it perfectly with the camera, and this focus ring is so smooth. And whoa, this actually makes it really easy to change your aperture. You can just with the thumb and move your aperture, and it is actually fairly stiff, so don't worry about accidentally bumping it, because you won't be bumping it. And yeah, for that's whoa. Alright, so it matches the body. It looks like this. It fits perfectly on the hand, and very smooth focus ring. Alright guys, so I believe you want to see some sample pictures of this lens. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the sample pictures of this TTArtisan lens. Let's go. Alright guys, so those are the sample pictures of this TTArtisan lens, and as a final verdict, this lens actually delivers for its price. It costs around $98, which you can use the affiliate link up here. And as for the focus ring, it is very smooth. It is very smooth indeed. It's not like the Tamron lens 18 to 200, which it has stiffness at the end. Actually, it is way smoother than the 7Artisan's lens. It is way smoother than that, but also it is slightly more like soft, if you know what I mean. It is easier to turn, although you won't be easily bumping it around, and it has this almost like if you have ever seen cinema lenses, it almost has that grooves where you can put your focusing motor on. So definitely gloves friendly. You can use it in the winter, although this is not weather sealed, so be careful with that, but if you wear gloves, it will work. And as for this tiny thing here, it almost looks like an ear. This makes shooting for changing the aperture a breeze. It is very easy to use. It is reasonably stiff, so you won't be bumping it. And it has clicks, which you may prefer for photography. And this is a photography first lens, not a cinema lens or video lens. And that is a plus for me because I shoot mostly stills. So that's it guys for this tiny but mighty lens of 50mm. It's very good to shoot at. It's very easy to shoot at if you have some experiences with manual lenses. It is very smooth for the focus ring, and you won't be bumping the aperture ring. And yeah, it shoots decently, although there is slight caveat where if there's a highlights, there is still some flaring issue, and there is also still some chromatic aberration issue, but overall it is a very solid lens. So you can grab it and you can use it even if you're a beginner. If you want to learn some manual focusing, then go ahead, buy this lens. It's very fun and very like exciting to use with. That's it for this one guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.